Miele Turbo Team Canister Vacuum. Ideal for low to medium pile carpeting, directly powered by the Airstream. A rotating roller brush works to loosen dirt in the floor while also collecting hair and threads. Includes air adjustment slide which prevents carpet from being sucked into the vacuum cleaner. The suction power can be easily adjusted to the surface being cleaned with the 6-setting rotary dial located on the vacuum. The usage of the rotary dial enables optimal cleaning results. The compact C1 Turbo Team cleans powerfully with a 1,200-watt Miele Vortex Motor, which works to increase power efficiency to the selected power level. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Accessories on VarioClip. The compact C1 Turbo Team comes standard with 3 additional accessories, conveniently clipped to the hose. Included accessories are a dusting brush, upholstery tool and crevice tool, all of which are suited to clean those hard-to-reach places. Number 2. Air Clean Sealed System. The Miele Air Clean Filter System, consisting of a genuine Miele dust bag, motor protection filter and air clean exhaust filter, ensures maximum filtration. The room air is cleaner than it was before vacuuming, with the self-sealing collar. No dirt and dust can escape once it is vacuumed into the dust bag. Number 3. Cleaning Radius. The stainless steel wand assists the vacuum in reaching an impressive cleaning radius of 29.5 feet. Attach one of the 3 additional accessories to the end of the wand and vacuum blinds, ceiling fans and shelving. Number 4. Reliably removes pet hair and lint with turbo brush. Number 5. Adjustable working height. Stainless steel telescopic tube. Number 6. Effortless vacuuming of large areas W divided by 29.5 feet operating radius. Number 7. Gentle on sensitive hard floors, soft parquet brush, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is this an air-sealed system that takes a HEPA filter? Answer. It shows air clean sealed in the first line of the description, and it shows the HEPA filter as optional items people purchase. Question number 2. What's the difference between C1 Classic Turbo Team and C1 Compact Turbo Team Canister Vacuum Cleaners? Answer. The C1 Classic Turbo Team is a lighter machine that comes with a HEPA filter, more tools, a filter change indicator, and larger dust capacity. Question number 3. Which filter bags I should buy for this vacuum cleaner? Does it come with any? Answer. It comes with 1 bag preloaded and going forward, you'll need Miele 3DFJM bags. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.